Yo, what's up guys? I'm back for the first time in months, and my car's not going to sound like that for very much longer if you heard that exhaust clip at the beginning, because I got Gruppe-s headers, or Gruppe-s, I don't know how to say it, but they're UEL headers. The quality on these headers is so nice. So yeah, I was gonna install these a couple weeks ago, but when I got them, it only came with one gasket, and it was supposed to come with 3. So I just ordered a gasket kit from Toge Tuning, and that is supposed to come today. So I'm gonna start them right now, and hopefully the gaskets come before the end of the day, because I work tonight. So we'll see. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be taking off, and then we'll get to it. Well, it's hard to see. We're gonna start by taking off the O2 sensors from the header. We're gonna disconnect them up here and then take off. This shield right here, because it's blocking everything. So that's the first step. Alright, little update. I got the 2 O2 sensors disconnected, and there's a couple clips on the side of this that hold them on. So I disconnect those clips, and now here's one, and the other is over here. Recommend disconnecting them from the top first, because if you take off the header and it's going to be dangling from the O2 sensors, and it's definitely not good. And I also got the shield off, which was a pain in the ass. It's fucking like 8 14s, 4 10 mils, and a bunch of plastic clips. It's finally off. Yuck. That was horrible. In order to get the header out, I had to disconnect the overpipe, obviously. Disconnect it from the block. And then back there, I don't know if you can see it, but on the front pipe, there's that little hanger right there. And the only way to, here, I'll try and get closer. The only way to take these headers off is to disconnect that, so that you can get some wiggle room with the front pipe, or else it's literally impossible. But I just took the two O2 sensors off and put them on the new header. It's looking crispy. But I sprayed both the O2 sensors with liquid wrench, or fucking WD-40, whatever you have, and use a 7/8 wrench, and it came off super easy. You could have some jacked arms, you know. I also sprayed all of the header bolts and the front pipe bolt, and also the 2 overpipe bolts with the liquid wrench. Everything came off super easy. So if you're doing this, I recommend spraying it. Even if it's a new car, it'll help. But yeah, and also don't forget to disconnect the battery. Alright guys, I changed clothes because it started raining, so I just put some shitty clothes on to just get her over with. I threw down some boxes because it was soaked. But I got the headers on. I'll show you guys. Oh. It wasn't horrible. Definitely easier to put on and take off, but everything's on. I'm gonna go start it and see if we have any exhaust leaks. Actually, I gotta plug the O2 sensors in first, so we'll do that.
That sounds sick!
It sounds so different.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Huh?
It sounds so different to me.
Bro, I'm out, man.
Yeah, you are ill. It sounds completely. Oh yeah. All right, I'm back, guys. I just ran inside to get my open flash tablet because I'm gonna flash the stage 2 tune on it. If you guys don't know what this is, I recommend checking out their website. It's pretty good for like the simple bolt-ons, but don't buy it if you're just gonna do stage 1 because it's pretty much pointless. But yeah, I'm gonna flash stage 2 and then probably go for a drive and listen to the new sound. Sounds so good just from starting it and giving it a tiny bit of revs. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna go to right and then stage 2 plus. Press little arrow. Initializing. I'm gonna lock my car in case anybody comes. Don't really want to fuck my car up. Turn power ignition on, then press OK. Alright, 1 sec. So it's 2 clicks for push to start. And press OK. And you don't want to interrupt this process by like opening your doors or anything, because I'm not sure if it'll fuck up your ECU. But better be safe than sorry. Alright guys, currently writing the new tune, stage 2 plus, which is catless UEL headers, I believe. So yeah, once this is done, I'll get back to you guys and I'll show you the last step. Alright, the writing's just about done. So I'm gonna turn ignition off. Car's off. Press OK. Flashing the ECU always freaks me out. Turn ignition power on. 2 clicks. OK. Yeah. I just feel like something's just gonna get messed up. Switch power ignition off for 10 seconds and then start engine and idle for 45 seconds before starting. So, turn it off. Wait 10 seconds. Holy. It sounds so mean. Alright, so I'm gonna let it idle and then I'm probably gonna go for a drive and I'll wear my GoPro because that'd be easier to film, obviously. So yeah, I'll hit you guys when I'm driving. Bro, it is way louder than I thought it was gonna be. And my throttle's all fucked up right now because I just flashed the tablet, so it has to learn the throttle. It sounds so good. It's obnoxious. I couldn't even imagine getting a freaking catless front pipe. It'd be like undrivable. Let's see how this guy reacts. Unfazed. Oh, never mind, he's looking. Alright, I just pulled into this little like crevices. It's pretty dead. And the car dealership's not running right now because of the COVID shit. So I'll do some revs here. I'll start with like 3K. And they'll progressively go up. Here, maybe I should back up, it's pretty loud. Alright, let's go.
Fuck, that's loud.
170 BRZ. Look who it is.
Yo, what's up guys? It's a different day. I think I just probably now put in the drive-by clips, and it's been a couple days with the exhaust, like with header, sorry, about a week, and it's pretty loud, but it sounds so good. I would definitely recommend getting headers. The difference in like power you can feel is pretty significant, I guess, for just headers. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, you know, the jazz. And then, yeah, I'll probably have a couple other videos coming out within like a week or two. Because I'm getting something done to the back of my car tomorrow. And with that being said, that's the end of the video. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.